Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you a takeoff under extreme weather conditions from inside this 787-9 Dreamliner. As you can see, there was so much snow on the plane that it was impossible to see the outside. After the pushback, we taxied to the de-icing station. A large quantity of de-icing fluid was sprayed on the aircraft to help eliminate frozen contaminants. This took about 20 minutes to be completed. The snowfall intensified to the point that another plane was blocked on the runway. We had to wait about 30 minutes for it to be removed.
Ladies and gentlemen, Captain speaking. We're just sitting here on the runway waiting for an aircraft. It's stuck on the runway about a mile off the runway here. We can't take off, so it's sitting there obviously. They're trying to pull it out.
Once the plane was removed, we were able to take off. Past this point, there were nothing more to see. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me comments. I'll see you at the next video.